With the Mazda 6, our goal was to design, engineer, and manufacture the best Mazda ever. So we called upon 400 engineers to put 108 test vehicles through their paces. Some vehicles were driven hard, while others had hundreds of thousands of test cycles performed on various components, simulating up to 10 years of extreme use. And through it all, we spent countless hours and drove over 1 million miles, all to ensure that every Mazda 6 has quality, dependability, and reliability built in from the ground up. Our testing began at the heart of the car, the engine. We pushed the engines to redline on dynamometers and on the road in sub-zero and triple-digit temperatures. Then we tore them down to check for wear. Any subpar components were re-engineered and tested again until they met Mazda's high standard of engineering. Exquisite craftsmanship is another key element to the long-term durability of the Mazda 6. All interior materials were tested against fading under UV light and in both extreme heat and cold to check for cracking and warping. Exterior paint finishes were tested for scratch resistance, durability, chip, and corrosion resistance. Painting each Mazda 6 is a 34-step process that begins with electrically charged primers and continues with robotically applied sealers, base and color coats, and finally clear coats. Once complete, a quality assurance process takes place where inspectors review hundreds of points on every Mazda 6. Finally, each car is driven on a chassis dynamometer as a final check before leaving the factory. With quality that is miles ahead of today's standards, the Mazda 6 you drive off the lot will be the car that keeps you going for the long road ahead.